It's weird. Hi guys. Before we jump into this video, as you can tell from the title, we're talking about the struggle bus of growing out a buzz cut, honey. Before we get into that, I do want to quickly mention that as per my last video, if you haven't watched it, go watch it. It's really important. I am still accepting clients for my spiritual life coaching practice. So if you're interested at all, if you're feeling stuck, overwhelmed, need some guidance, just want to talk, I am here. I got you. My website is linked down below, zenhealingspace.ca. You can fill out the form. I will get back to you in 24 hours and we can get on a call, a Zoom call, we can connect and we can get you out of however you are feeling. I am here. I got you. All right, guys, let's get into what's happening on my head right now, okay? I know that, let me just preface this with saying, I know that it feels worse than it looks. I am aware, okay? I'm aware. So it's officially been a month, okay? And things are happening. Hair is growing, hair is moving, hair is falling out. For the very first time on my sweater the other day, I was like, that's my hair. That is my hair. That hasn't happened in 11 years. So as you can tell, I have not bleached it. I have not done anything to it. I haven't even trimmed the sides or anything. So this is exactly how it looks after a month. Obviously when the last time I shaved it, I had bleached it. So now I'm rocking more of like a frosted tips moment because I don't know what to do. I feel like if I bleach it right now, it's gonna look like odd. I think the depth is kind of good, but I'm not sure about the frosted tips. I don't know. Honestly, every day I wake up and I look in the mirror and I'm like, kind of just hoping that it sorts itself out at some point. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Every single day I think about shaving it again. And that's how I know I'll be back. I'll be back to the bald life because I believe the bald life is for me. I didn't choose it, it chose me, you know what I mean? But, I really want to get to at least a pixie cut, right? Somebody told me 4 months, so month 1 is done. 3 more to go. I do have hope. So when I use water and I kind of like comb down the sides, it starts to almost look like a style. So that's exciting. I'm going to share with you guys how I've been going out in public because I think it doesn't really matter what anyone thinks. It's just about my comfortability. So being bald, like at a #1 for 11 years, this length of hair, I'm like, I'm out of my sorts. I'm out of my sorts or all sorts. I don't know. I'm out of them. I don't have them. 0, zip, out of sorts. Does that even make sense? So as you can see, you know, I rocked little diamond studs, fake diamonds, not real, don't get excited, for the entire time my head was completely shaved, and now I've transitioned to a hoop because it felt more appropriate with the hair. I don't know. So I'm going to show you different things I've been doing to survive the awkward stage. And I don't think we're done with the awkward stage, but I had to update you 1 month in. Side note, there is little pieces of hair that are growing a lot. I have to tuck them because otherwise they do this from my ears. They go down and they go straight out. This is like a really fun time. I've been really having just such a really good time with this transition. But, you know, I like to think of this transition like we are butterflies, okay? We're cocooning. We are cocooning right now. Cocoon. All right, first thing I do, most often, this is how I'm out. This is how I'm out in public. I have a hat on. This one is from ARITZIA, I think, and because it's like nude and a little shiny, I can get away with it in wearing like an actual outfit, not just athleisure, but I do have like Adidas hats or whatever as well that I wear often for my athleisure days, which are a lot now that I'm almost 30. Anyone else? Anyone else really finding themselves I'm rocking that athleisure. Maybe it's not even aged. I could blame it on COVID. So hats have been great to me. Hats have been great. Do a little earring moment, do a little ball cap moment, put on your mask. Nobody even knows it's you, honey. The thing about growing your hair out during a pandemic, nobody even knows it's you. Mask, like, who am I? Who am I? You don't know. Okay, when I want to get a little, like I'm feeling a little spicy, I'm going to dinner, I need to have like a little bit of a moment, we go to this kind of hat. I'm back by popular demand. No, I'm sorry. So this is a moment, okay? I might even go bigger on the earrings for this moment, okay? We just kind of get very, very mysterious here, okay? We're serving mystery. That's where I'm at. This has been good to me. It's fall, it feels appropriate, you know? How do we feel? How do we feel? How are we feeling? Do we like? Next, last thing I do is I wrap it. If you follow me on Instagram, Gabrielle.Olivia, the O is a 0, you will see that I often have a head wrap on. I really love them. They do give me headaches. Side note, I think because I'm just not used to having anything on my head, not even hair. So sometimes they give me headache. But I get all of my head wraps that I use on Amazon. All of that will be there. So yeah, they just come like this. And honestly, there are about 3,000 incredible women on YouTube who will teach you how to tie them. I am not going to do that because it literally takes me half an hour to finesse it, to tie it, to tuck it, to figure it out before I'm like, okay, this looks good. I'm not a pro at this whatsoever. I can only imagine me with hair because after all of this time, I have no idea even how to style it. But anyway, if you are interested in how to tie this up, YouTube, incredible women will pop up, easy tutorials. But this is normally the style I go for. Okay, that actually didn't take too long. I didn't actually use a mirror, so hopefully this is okay. But this is normally where I'm at. This is usually what I do. And I feel good, I feel confident, I feel good. It was in my last video like this, just in black. Same thing, Amazon, incredible. But I'll leave it out for now so that you can see all the glory of 1 month of Buzzcut growth, honey. We're surviving, we're thriving the awkward phase, all right? We're just getting through it. Beauty comes from the inside, right? It sounded lame when you said it, but you mean it. Anyway, I hope you guys found this helpful. Let me know down below how you guys are surviving, if you're growing it out. If you're part of the bald tribe that's holding it down, I miss you dearly. I miss you dearly. I hope you guys are having such a beautiful day. I will see you guys soon. Love you.